Hey guys, I was preparing the ad for June and I realized that there's actually a way to get out of the Advantage Creative um, here. So in the previous video, I said that we can't uncheck this for some reason, and so when we'd go to edit our audience, we'd have to be stuck with the Advantage Plus audience, which some of you have experienced some ad placement in places it shouldn't be. So I just real quick, I'm going to do this video because I found a way to get rid of it. So I haven't liked any of the AI variations of the text, so I've been unclicking this. This is obviously a new feature as well. I've been unclicking that. We still want the goal to be automatic, get more messages, unless you have a link that you're sending it to, um, which is not a terrible idea either to create a landing page for like a coupon to show. You can track it a little bit easier that way if you do that by having a landing page. But in any case, so if you go here, we're gonna select Instagram. We're gonna keep it on Messenger. The Messenger hasn't been that bad lately. But here, if we click all and then we go people you choose through targeting, and if we were to go back to suggested, Advantage Plus audience is all of a sudden unclicked. So all you have to do is click on all. We always like to select people you choose through targeting, um, or people in your local area. Makes it actually the easiest because your address will be up here. All you have to do is then do something like this. Just have to be wary of airports because if anyone who goes through the airport will get your ad, even if they're not in the area. Um, so we have a nice 5 mile radius around Harrisburg. That's quarter million of people, even though Harrisburg itself is a 50,000 population. The metro area is obviously a lot bigger. That works perfectly for us. We're going to go ahead, make the ad run through June 30th. For Harrisburg, we're going to put $2,000 behind it. We're going to unselect Advantage Plus placements. We definitely do not want that. Um, I've been keeping it on Messenger. It hasn't been that bad, but you can unselect it if you want. And then all you have to do is hit publish. So that's it. That's how you can unselect that what we previously thought was a uncheckable for the Advantage Plus. So thanks, guys. Hope everyone has a great weekend.